Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about different kinds of pronouns. And among that pronouns we are indefinite pronouns. We are going to learn about indefinite pronouns. Okay? Indefinite pronouns. They refer people or things without saying exactly who or what they are. Actually, they don't say exactly about a person or place. Okay, they refer people. Indefinite pronoun refer people or things without saying exactly who or what they are. Okay, we use these pronouns. We use pronouns ending in body, B-O-D-Y, body or one for people. Okay, we use pronouns ending in body or one for people and pronouns ending in thing for things. Somebody, someone are used for people. Something is used for things. Like that way, we use the independent pronouns in different ways. Let us come to the unit. Pronouns, part 5, indefinite pronouns. So, indefinite pronouns, what is the definition? Let us see. An indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that refers to an unspecified, see, unspecified, okay, not a specific, unspecified and unidentified, see, unspecified or unidentified, that means not exactly, okay, person or thing. That means here we won't speak about a exact person, what or who they are, is it? So here we have singular and singular indefinite pronoun, plural indefinite pronoun, and some words are used as singular and plural. So let us see what are the words which are used as singular, which are the words used as plural, and some of the words which are used as singular and plural. Okay, let us see what this is the list of the words which are used as singular. Singular indefinite pronoun, plural indefinite pronoun. These words are used as singular and plural. Now let us read anybody, anyone, anything, another, each, either, enough, everyone, everything, less, little, much, neither, no one, nothing, one, other, somebody, someone, something. Somebody, someone and something. Somebody, someone are used for persons. Something is used for things. Okay. Now let us see the plural. The words which are used for plural. Both, few, fewer, many, others, several. These are the list of plural words. Okay. Next is these words are used as plural as well as singular. What are they? All, any, more, most, none, some, such. These are the words which are used as singular and plural. Now let us go through the examples. Let me show through the examples how they are used. Okay. First one is anybody can take these. Anybody can take these. We can use anybody can take these. Anyone can take these or anyone. We can use anyone can take these or we can use everyone can take these or we can use no one. Okay, we can use the indefinite pronoun here in this sentence. Anybody can take this, anyone can take this, no one can take this, everyone can take this. These are the words we can use in the as indefinite pronouns. These are the words we can use as indefinite pronouns in a sentence. Now let us come to the next one. He would give everything if you ask. He would give everything. He would give everything if you ask. He would give everything or he would give anything or he would give little or he would give something. He would give anything if you ask. He would give little if you ask. He would give something if you ask. He would give everything if you ask. These are the indefinite pronouns we can use in a sentence. These are the indefinite pronouns we can use in this way. We can use the indefinite. These are the examples of indefinite pronouns, how they are used in the sentence. Now next one, he knows nothing about it. He knows nothing. Nothing is indefinite pronoun. He knows nothing. We can use nothing or something or little or less or sometimes everything. He knows nothing, he knows something, he knows a little or he knows everything. He knows less about it. Okay? He knows nothing about it. He knows something about it. He knows a little about it. He knows everything about it. These are the indefinite pronouns. Next is, are you waiting for someone? Someone. This is indefinite pronoun. Someone, somebody. Or are you waiting for anyone? Okay? Are you waiting for somebody? Are you waiting for someone? Are you waiting for anyone? Like that. These are the indefinite pronouns. Not the particular person or not the exact thing or not talking about the exact person. We are not talking and we are not calling them as on their name, is it? Then, there is nothing to feed my dog. There is nothing to feed my dog. There is nothing. Nothing is indefinite pronoun. So we can use something. There is something to feed my dog, or there is little to feed my dog. Okay? There is something. There is nothing. There is little to feed my dog. Okay? These are the indefinite pronouns used in the sentence. Next is, no one came to see me. See, no one. No one, everyone, someone or somebody. Okay, we can use these words also. No one came to see me, everybody came to see me, someone came to see me. Okay, none came to see me, like that way. Okay, we can use these words as indefinite pronoun. Next, both of them are beautiful. See, both of them are beautiful. Both. This is indefinite pronoun. Both of them. Okay? Both of them. Next, many people feel that the law should change. Many people feel that the law should change. Many is indefinite pronoun. We can use many people, few people, several people. Okay? Several people feel that the law should change. Few people think that few people feel that the law should change. So we can use many and we can use few and we can use several. Okay? We can use many people, few people, several people feel that the law should change. Okay? These are the words. These are the indefinite words which we can use in the sentence. Next is, fewer are smoking these days. Fewer are smoking these days, or all are smoking these days. Many are smoking these days. Okay? That way. Fewer. This is indefinite pronoun. Okay? Fewer are smoking these days. Many are smoking. All are smoking. Okay? Then, all of them were spoiled. All of them were spoiled. All is indefinite pronoun. We can write most. Most of them, some of them, none of them. Yes. Okay? Some of them were spoiled. Most of them were spoiled. None of them were spoiled. These are the words. All these, all, most, some, none. Okay? These all are the indefinite pronouns. Next is, this book is more interesting. This book is more interesting. Okay, this book is more interesting. Indefinite pronoun. Okay. Next is, some were detected. Some were detected. All were detected. Few were detected. Okay. Some were detected. All were detected. Few were detected. Okay, these are the indefinite pronouns. Next is such questions are difficult. Such questions are difficult. Some questions are difficult. All questions are difficult, like that way. Okay, such questions are difficult, or few questions are difficult. All questions are difficult. Okay, like that way. We use these indefinite pronouns in sentences according to their construction of the sentence. These are the list of the singular indefinite pronoun, plural indefinite pronoun, and these are the words. This is the list of the words which are used as singular and plural. So please practice more and more. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next class.